Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Video Dude 79 here. Now to give guys a mini update on the snow. It is now 1:50 p.m. Newfoundland time, and as you can see, the snow is falling pretty hard now. We had less snow in last video, but now we begin a lot more snow. So you see we got snow on the roads and snow on the grass over here. Yep, holy. By just yep. And yep. So of course the snow is blowing. And I'm also going to give you guys a look at some stuff that I got, some new stuff that I got. First is my desk that I got in Cambria last it was probably 2 weeks before last week. This is like a little table-like desk. Yep. And this is my SiriusXM boombox, which I use now to listen to the video on. And this is my new Xbox One, which I use to the game on. Yes. So I figured I give you guys a peek of my new technology that I got. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this quick video, and that'll be all for now. Peace, bye.